What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. So, plan for the day. Look who done pulled up on me. Y'all see Cuzo, man. He pulled up early this morning. We been kicking it, man, just chilling. So I said, man, you know what? Man, you ain't drove Tran yet. He said, so late. So that's the plan for the day, man. Cuzo finna take Tran, shake it down. Then I get his opinion. He can see how I feel and stuff. And I mean, it's perfect time because I got the radios on it. And I told her, I said, man, I got to put drag in the car, man. Cause I ain't tried it since I changed the air cleaner. Which, y'all see, I put the new air cleaner on. Y'all saw it on the other vlog. And y'all saw how dirty that old filter was. Super dirty. That was a huge hindrance to airflow and stuff, too. So by the carburetor and blower just getting cleaner air alone, it should help. Mind you, it's hot. It's at the peak of the day, but it ain't as hot as it normally be. So we finna move everything. And just like I told y'all, I'm finna put Meech in the front, man. Meech on punishment. They call him, I'm putting it at the front, man. I might take it out in a couple of weeks. I got everything situated, but I need to change the idle arm on it. Which, matter of fact, let me put it in the car. Cause I got one, y'all. You know, if that idler arm come off, it ain't gonna be pretty. It is not gonna be pretty at all. So, if I can find where I put it, it's in a Moog box. I might have already put it in the trunk, cause I know I need to do it. That wifey trim right there. I gotta find that thing. Oh, I know where it's at. I got it in here. It's in the bin. So I'm gonna have to get that idle arm out, and I'm gonna get it changed on here, and then, you know, we'll be good to go. And of course, it's gonna have to have alignment at that point. But y'all, we're finna get the stuff moved. Then we'll have to run we got to run the parts though, man. We're gonna drive Big Merc too. We're gonna do that later. Gotta run the parts though, cause we gotta get the air compressor. I told y'all I'm changing the air compressor on Big Merc and stuff. New, all that, everything will be fresh. But I've been driving it every day, so. That we about to do, y'all stay tuned. All right, we got Meech out. Finna let Cuzo. Here you go, homeboy. Hey, look, I just told him, I said, you gotta bag it out. He said, shoot, you crazy. I said, man, you finna drive it. I said, you gonna have to bag it up. So, we finna switch these out. So he gonna bag up. Then we're gonna go down in the road, then switch them up, get some space. I'm gonna pull Meech back in. So, that's what we got shaking, man. So, fire that thing out, Cuzo.
Hey, man. It's been a whole year, man.
Yeah, this man here, boy, he done took a hiatus, boy. We gotta see if he still got it. See if he still got it, y'all. Nah, I just drove the thing, what, 3 days ago, something like that. Nah, it been longer than that, y'all. Probably 4 days ago. Yeah, fan and fuel pump. Fan up there by the fan up there, fuel pump hanging out down there in the, where the radio be at. Just prime it. Prime the fuel pump and then cut it off. Then after it crank up, then turn the pump on. Fuel pump loud, y'all. right, we made it back after wild adventure. That we ain't record. Hey y'all, this man here always doing so. Hey, this man. I was like, what the man doing, man? They trained me. I said, what he doing?
Hey, man, this is my first time driving the car, man.
I said, what he doing? So Cuzo said, I seen the hand come out of one, and I was like, he like, man, it's like the transmission had the crazy. I said, man, ain't no wrong with the transmission. He said, man, he pulled over. He said, man, I'll tell you, man. I said, y'all know already. I said it get hot. I'll know that cause that fan trash. So I told him that. I said, Cuzo, it's in the peak of the day. It's gonna run up quick. So that was expected. But I got in the car, y'all. Whoa. I said, what? I backed all the way back on the road. I said, man, come on, man. Nah, man, Cuzo like this thing though, man. Man, what you think, man?
One more time it did. I've been managing you right here.
Yeah, he took it easy. I said, cuz he ain't even take it up to the ship part where it's supposed to make power at. He took it easy, just getting it kind of feeling the car out. But man, we got these will be on there next week. These will be on next week, man. And boy, this baby need it. This baby need it, man. We'll probably come back later and, like I said, pull the hood off. It needs some cooling in it too, cause it's just water in there. I put antifreeze and everything. I need to drain this. I don't know why people don't run straight water. Put antifreeze in your stuff, man. If it's any car, I don't care if it's your hot rod, you better put some antifreeze in that dope. So, man, we gotta run the parts though. Finna hop in Big Merc. Go get the compressor for it. It should be in. And then we gonna check back in, so y'all stay tuned. All right, everybody. So look, we checking in, man. Cuzo gone. But I want to show y'all this. So y'all see it's full of water. I can't show y'all the engine yet, man. Ain't engine reveal time yet. But let me show you, cause this car does have electric water pump on it. Mazir, I think that's a Mazir, it look like. Let me show you. Clearly a problem. You hear how loud it is for one. Mazir pumps usually not that loud. Look at the flow. Look at it. It's just bubbling. Mazir, a good Mazir pump be flowing that water, pushing that water through there. So it's basically like running with no water pump. Look at it. It's crazy. Ain't doing a thing. Ain't doing a thing, y'all. A Mazir pump, that thing's supposed to be going through there like it ain't nothing, but this pump burn up. So we ain't got no flow. We ain't got no water pump. That's why it getting hot so fast, man. They ain't got no water moving. So look like I'm gonna go get that. I might actually go get that and take these back. Cause I was just looking at some, my radiator, this right here ain't gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. Not with what's in this car, so it'll be either getting a radiator to compensate and make that fit, which that's definitely not the cheaper route, the cheaper option to do that. So I'm gonna take these back, get a water pump because it most definitely needs a water pump. And the fan that's on here may do. And I might try that one right there. So we're gonna have to go back to Summit, man, and I'm gonna have to get these things back so I can switch it out. And we're gonna get a water pump, and I'm gonna put that water pump on, and hopefully we have some action, man. So I might shoot the Summit tomorrow. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna check back in. All right, y'all, it's the next day. So look, I'm headed back. I said I figure I'd add this on to the blog. Since I was showing y'all I found a problem. But I'm headed to Summit this morning. My best buddy can't ride with me today because she gotta get her hair done. So solo trip today. Me, y'all, and Big Merc. And finna get up here, we gotta go to Summit, return the stuff, get a new electric water pump. Cause that other one is toast, man. As y'all can see, it wasn't even pumping nothing. So y'all stay tuned, man. We'll be there in a minute. All right, BCG fam, man, we made it back from Summit. Nice ride in Big Merc, man. I love that car. So I had to make some stops. Stopped by AutoZone, took the core back. We got the new water pump, a Mazir, 55 gallon per minute. And then I'm gonna get this thing swapped off actually today, but we ain't gonna put it in this vlog. Kinda stretch y'all out long enough. So we're gonna get that water pump switched out, get some water flowing through there, and then see where the water temp run. And then I can start driving this thing more. That's why I ain't been driving the car. It like, man, the temp be getting crazy. Now I went ahead and bought me a fluid extractor from Harbor Freight. I've been wanting one, man, keep from making a mess, car. I love my floors, man. I love my floors. They dirty. They need mopping right now, but it's all good. But that's the plan for today, man. I enjoyed Cuzo. Hope y'all enjoyed seeing them on the vlog. Like I said, we just kicked it, man. We kick it with each other all the time. Just don't cut the camera on and all that. But enjoyed Cuzo, man. We had an adventure today, and well, yesterday, and Tran. And you know, I'm gonna get this thing together, y'all's car. I showed y'all the water flow, man. Ain't no water flow going through that thing, but I'm gonna get that thing swapped out today, man, cause it's gonna be an easy switch. Probably take all of 10 minutes, something like that. Put the water and fluid back in and go take it on a road test. So we'll have that coming up, all that good stuff. But for now, I'm about to get up out of here, cause it's pretty toasty up in here. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.